My dear children, today I will explain chapter number 1, exercise 1.3. So, let us start. Exercise 1.3, question number 1. Find each of the following products. First, 3 into minus 1 equal to minus plus minus 3 into 1 is equal minus 3 is answer. All questions are same. Solve them by yourself with the help of given table. We know that the product of an even number of negative integers is positive and the product of an odd number of negative integers is negative. Question number 2. Verify the following. A. 18 into 7 plus minus 3 equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. Solution. LHS. Left hand side. 18 into bracket 7 plus minus 3 equal to 18 into opening the bracket we get 4, which is 72. RHS equal to 18 into 7 plus into bracket 18 into minus 3. 18 sevens are 126 plus 18 threes are 54 minus plus minus 54, which is 126 minus 54. Answer is 72. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. All these questions are same. Is about try it yourself. Question number 3. Sub question 1. For any integer a, what is minus 1 into a equal to? Solution. For any integer a, suppose minus 1 into a equal to minus plus minus a, the additive inverse of a. Sub question number 2. Determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is a minus 22, b 37, c is 0. A minus 22 into minus 1 equal to 22 minus minus plus 22. 37 into minus 1 minus 37 minus plus minus 37. And C 0 into minus 1 equal to 0. Hence 0 is the integer whose product with minus 1 is 0. Question number 4. Starting from minus 1 into 5, write various products showing some pattern to show. Minus 1 into minus 1 equal to 1. Solution. Minus 1 into 5 equal to 1 5 are 5 minus plus minus 5. Second, minus 1 into 4 equal to minus 4. 1 4 are 4 minus plus minus 4. 1 3 are 3 minus plus which is minus 3. Minus 1 into 2 which is minus 2. Minus 1 into 1 which is minus 1. And minus 1 into minus 1 which is plus 1 minus minus plus. Question number 5. Find the product using suitable properties. First, 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. By the distributive property of multiplication over addition, equal to minus 48 into bracket 26 plus minus 36 equal to minus 48 as it is and 26 minus plus minus 10. We get 480. Now, all these questions are same as above. Try it yourself. In question D and E, we have to use distributive property. Here also, we have to use distributive property. Question number 6. A certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process beginning? Solution. The change in temperature per hour equal minus 5 degrees Celsius. The change in temperature in 10 hours equal to minus 5 degrees Celsius into 10 degrees Celsius. which is minus 50 degrees Celsius. The room temperature after 10 hours equal 40 degrees Celsius plus minus 50 degrees Celsius. Minus plus minus. That is minus 10 degrees Celsius. Question number 7. In a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer and 0 for question not attempted. First one, Mohan gets 4 correct answers, 6 incorrect answers. What is his score? Solution. For 4 correct answers, Mohan gets 4 into 5, that is 20 marks. For 6 incorrect answer, Mohan gets 6 into minus 2 equal to minus 12 marks. Mohan's score equal 20 plus minus 12 plus minus minus, that is 8 marks. Now second and third question also same, so try it to yourself. Question number 8. A cement company earns a profit of rupees 8 per bag of white cement sold and a loss of rupees 5 per bag of grey cement sold. Sub question A. The company sells 3000 bags of white cement and 5000 bags of grey cement in a month. What is its profit or loss? Solution. Profit on 3000 bags of white cement at rupees 8 per bag equal to 3000 into 8, that is rupees 24,000. Loss on 5000 bags of grey cement at rupees 5 per bag equal to 5000 into 5, that is rupees 25,000 rupees. Loss is greater than profit. Therefore, loss rupees 25,000 minus 24,000, that is rupees 1,000. So, the loss is rupees 1,000. Now question number 8, sub question B. What is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit nor loss? If the number of grey bags sold is 6,400 bags. Solution. Number of grey cement bags sold equal to 6,400. That is already given. Therefore, total loss equal to 6,400 into 5. That is rupees 32,000. Profit per bag of white cement equal rupees 8. Therefore, the number of white cement bags to be sold for getting rupees 32,000 profit. That is 32,000 divided by 8, which is 4,000. It must sell 4,000 bags of white cement to have neither profit nor loss. Question number 9. Replace the blank with an integer to make it a true statement. Blanks number 1, minus 3 into dash equal to 27. What should we multiply with minus 3 to get answer plus 27? As we know, minus minus will become plus. So we need here negative integer. If we will put minus 9 here, then minus 3 into minus 9 equal to 27 will get answer. Now all the remaining blanks are same as above.